Today I'll teach you how to paint with the color magenta using the BSL system. I start by priming the figure with 3 thin layers of black spray paint. These are the colors I'm going to use for the BSL magenta family. Magenta will be the base color. I'm applying a homogeneous layers, spreading paint to achieve a smooth finish. If you apply thick layers and don't spread it well, the base color may result lumpy. So if you're taking a painting and you still don't control the brush well, I recommend you to apply thin layers. When applying the base color, it's not necessary to add water. Having a damp brush is enough. If paint flows well, it's enough. With only 2 layers, you'll have a homogeneous base color. I apply the first highlight with purple. I place the color close to magenta and paint the edge of wrinkles, leaving deep areas unpainted. As you can see, it's quite simple. Just apply the color and drag it gently so that it blends with the previous layer. If you find difficult to blur in colors, you can mix purple with a little bit of magenta. The BSL system is designed to make work easier, especially for those who are just getting into paint or have an intermediate level. It's a big help. As you can see, the new game color range has a completely matte finish. First light applied. The next highlight will be squid pink mixed with a little purple. I paint the edge of the wrinkle again. This time the light should be smaller, to avoid completely covering the previous illumination. The trick is to go little by little to get a much better blurring effect. If you want these lights to be more noticeable, just add more squid pink to the mix. The more squid pink you apply, the more intense the lights will be. For the last lights, I do use pure squid pink. After that, the lights are finished. Finally, I apply shadows with Evil Red. I dilute it with some water since I'm going to paint the deep areas of the wrinkles. I do it unhurriedly to avoid to stain the lights already applied. Notice that the 4 colors I'm using combine very well with each other, while being easy to handle. And here you have the finished tunic, painted following the BSL system. With the BSL system, you can paint any color in a super simple way. If you want to learn more about the BSL system, I recommend the new book, Color. A book where I explain all about the BSL system, color theory applied to miniatures, and a large number of practical examples, while painting the entire BSL family without forgetting about techniques, a book designed for beginners and intermediate level painters. Friends, that's all. See you in the next video.